Okay, to view storage usage on other drivers in Windows 10 Home, go to Settings, click or tap Start menu icon, and then click or tap Settings, select System, and then select Storage. Scroll down, click or tap View storage usage on other drivers. You can see Windows, C drive, data D drive, recovery A, new volume F drive. To show detail, select drive you want, for example drive C. This is how your storage is used and how you can free up space. You can click again to view. You can manage your videos below. This folder may contain important files that help your PC run well. Select when to manage it in File Explorer. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.